Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring ingredients precisely. This controls sweetness and texture. Warm 250 ml milk on medium heat until it reaches about 60-70 degrees C, because hotter milk alters flavor and can scald. While the milk warms, spoon 2 tablespoons Amul Pro Chocolate powder into your cup or saucepan so you don't overmix later. Once the milk is at temperature, remove it from heat briefly. This prevents boiling and preserves the chocolate's aroma. You make a paste first to avoid lumps. Pour a small portion of the warm milk over the 2 tablespoon powder and stir until smooth. This step ensures even dissolution because dry powder disperses poorly in large volumes. Once you have a lump-free paste, slowly pour the remaining warm milk while whisking continuously. This maintains emulsion and glossy appearance. If you want froth, whisk vigorously for another 10-15 seconds. Taste and adjust sweetness now. Since sugar dissolved at this stage, you finish by pouring the hot chocolate into your cup and optionally spooning foam on top or dusting with a little extra Amul Pro for presentation. Serve immediately for best aroma and mouthfeel. If you encounter clumps, reheat a small portion of the drink, whisk vigorously, or use an electric frother to break them up. This fixes texture because heat and shear dissolve stubborn aggregates. Make sure to seal the powder container to prevent moisture, which causes future clumping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.